Mom, we have to open the window bigger.
Then you go open the window. Go open the window.
He's gonna fall!
Raven, birds can fly. Open the window bigger.
Oh my god, he's landing. British, shut up!
Raven, go open up the window wider.
Just call UJ, tell him to get a plane ticket.
We are not abandoning this bathroom.
There's a squirrel in the trees.
Outside.
Oh, look at it. Oh, it just fell. It just fell off the tree.
Raven,
Mom,
go
the squirrel-
open up the window wider. Go. Go.
Don't push me.
It's just a little teeny tiny bird, Raven. Oh my god. It's just a teeny tiny bird. Hey, chickie, 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 chickie. Get the hell out of my bathroom. You gonna get him, Fido? I'm definitely not gonna post this because I have 2 drying wigs right over here. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Mom, you can't let it fly. You can't let it fly.
I can't. How am I supposed to stop a
Oh
bird
my
from
god,
flying?
Mom!
Stop shouting.
Mom, oh my god, oh my god. Mom, you have to move. Can
I'm
you
not
please
gonna move.
Move out of the way.
No.
I'm literally about to pee myself.
Raven,
Mom, move
I
out
told
the
you
way.
there's 2 other bathrooms.
Oh, get out of the way.
Damn.
Oh my god, you can do it yourself. Stop recording again. Not everything belongs on the internet.
All right. I'm gonna leave you in here, buddy. All right, you go out when you're ready. Bye.